Both sides off?
No.
Oh, yeah. Keep doing that for a second. I'm just getting... Yeah, that's crazy. Go ahead and keep pushing it for a second. So it's the whole entire back wall and cap just shifting completely side to side.
And
Did you take this side apart or no? Not yet.
No, it's going to be probably the same.
Yeah.
If you look under here, same big bracket I have going from the I-beam to the back wall, both those are sheared off too.
Yeah. I wonder if you can go into the floor on the inside because it's got a rear couch and do like an L bracket from the wall down.
We already did that. I checked that out at one time.
I wonder if it's probably all broke off again.
That ain't gonna hold shit.
Yeah.
With as big and as much flex as this has, it's not that little.
It's just too tall. Well, that's why we keep seeing. So I was just over at the body shop over at Don's, looking at that other unit that was total. That was a Attitude Extreme. It broke all the frames up in it, like the front frame pipes, but they hit something. But he was saying same thing on these big Grand Designs. He keeps doing it as well, fixing the same thing like we're doing. But he said that it's the same.
This is an exception. It's just coming. I mean,
so all the stuff that you still riveted on there, the majority of it kept it together.
Yeah, from the floor, the wall, this side wall.
So when you were pushing on that, the floor wasn't moving. It's the whole back wall.
The whole back wall, and so I've already, like I said, it completely tore that aluminum here on that bracket.
Yeah.
Completely tore this bracket off. Completely tore the.
So that means all of these screws all the way up.
No, they're holding.
They're holding.
Yeah,
But they're still going to be all wallered though.
Yeah, but see right here, Dustin? So here's the back wall.
Yeah.
It's still attached to this framing on this wall right here.
Yeah.
So that's all still solid with my screws going through and everything.
Yeah.
But it's the wall to the whole floor and coach itself.
Yeah.
So
what? Anything you can think of to like secure it up? I was thinking you were going to have to pull off the receiver down here and go up through the bottom and see what's up there to tie it in. But it's not the floor; it's the back wall.
yeah.
So, all right. Well, stay tuned for more as we figured this guy out. This is Terry. He just called me up and said, "Hey, come take a look at this." So, man, somebody's boss got this great idea with this thing, right? And that helps, right?
You missed this side right here.
Yeah, but, I wanted you to have an exit to get out. You know what I mean? All righty, everybody. Thanks so much for watching this. Dustin, Terry, RV Specialist. And the saga continues. So this actually wall has been fixed twice. First time was, I think, more than a year ago? And then,
it's this particular model because it's so long and big and there's no structure
back there
on this back end to where when he's driving, it's just
shaking itself apart.
It's,
well, look at the distance from the rear tire to the back of the load.
I don't know. It's like he's
huge.
Off-roading or...
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know.
All right. Well, stay tuned for more. We'll talk to you soon. Dustin, RV Specialist.